So I've turned the bag over to the right side. Now I'll be adding lining to the inside of the bag. I try to measure around the mouth of the bag to get the measurement to cut out for the lining. And the measurement I measure out is 22.3 inches. But I didn't cut out the exact 22.3 inches. I cut out 22.6 inches because I had 3 inches sewing allowance to it. By the time I stitched the lining together, it will have reduced the length. I've cut out the lining and the wideness is 22.6 inches. And for the height of the lining, the height of the bag will determine the height of the lining. So the height of the bag is 6.7 inches. But I cut out 7.5 because I had sewing allowance to it. So I have my paper with me because some kind of lining my machine won't sew it. So I had to use paper for it. Now I'll take the lining, I'll fold it together. After folding it together, I'll place the paper on it and place it under the machine for stitching. I'll remove the paper from the lining. I'll take the main body, I'll fold it and put it inside the lining and make sure both the mouths rhyme with each other. When it have rhymed with each other, I'll pull the long zipper, I'll pull it inside because I won't stitch it with the lining. Then I'll place it under the machine and start stitching it. So I'm done with the stitching. You can see the way it looks like. Now I'll remove the lining out and pull it inside the bag. I see that the longer zipper is outside. I'll fold the lining inside very well because I'll be top stitching the mouth of the background. So I'm done with the top stitching of the mouth. Now I'll remove the lining out to close the mouth. To close up the mouth of the lining, I'll fold each side inside, then join it together for stitching. So I've cut out the leather I will insert inside the chain because that is kind of how I want. A combination of leather and chain. And the measurement is 22 inches by 0.7 inches. Now I'll fold it into two and rule the midpoint out. Then I'll fold each side to the midpoint and fold it together again to become one. Then place it under the machine and start stitching it. I'm done with the stitching. Now I'll be inserting it inside the chain. The length of the chain is 18 inches. I'll take the chain, I will set it right very well. Then take the leather and insert it from the first one. And make sure it remains only small leather at the mouth. You can see that I've inserted the leather inside the chain and I left little at the mouth that I will use it to close it up. So watch the way I'm inserting the leather inside the chain. You pull the leather inside the chain from the front and still pull the leather inside the chain, another chain back from the back. You repeat same process till you get to the last chain. So for the lining, I've pulled it inside after closing up the mouth. Then I insert the zipper mouth into the zipper. Now I'll be closing up the zipper with the zipper stopper. I'll be needing zipper stopper and also the gum to close it up, to gum it together rather. I'll fold the mouth of the zipper very well together. Then I'll take the stopper and pour little gum inside it. Now I'll put the zipper into the stopper and leave it to gum together. So I'm done inserting the leather inside the chain and I also left the little leather at the mouth of the last chain. Then I open up the last chain of each side and join it together with hanger. Then I add the hanger to the ring holder. I also add fashion logo to the bag. So to close up the leather at the mouth of the chain, I'll be needing a needle to tack it. So I will hold the small leather and pull it to the back of another leather this way. Then take the needle and start tacking it together. You repeat the same process to the other side too. And that is how to make a lady's shoulder bag. Very simple and easy to learn. So we have come to the end of part 2 of this video on how to make a lady's shoulder bag. So if you really learned something from this video and you enjoy watching it, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and give your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye.